Yeah, if you're having problems breathing, there's a couple of different things that you could do to really help this. You could be having a very tight diaphragm here. I'm going to open up and get some energy into the diaphragm. So you're going just on the xiphoid process below the ribs, pressing into the diaphragm here. And it also holds a lot of feelings. So if you press in, you might feel a lot of tension and resistance. It's tight. I'm going to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth, making that connection here. And start to pull with your fingers, pull the fascia apart. I'm going to stick the chest out, the shoulders down, chin up, opening up that front line, breathing in and out through the mouth now and moving around. Also want to work on the chest here, really opening up the fascia in the chest, help the breath. So you want to push in. And you can use the hands to push in and twist the fascia. But I'm going to continue with that pushing in and pulling apart. So continue breathing through the nose and then out through the mouth as you make that connection. And then pull apart, open that up. You might want to even push up and out, breathing through the mouth and moving around. Shoulders back and down, chest out, chin up. And then we can look at the side body and the lungs here again. This opens up the shoulders as well. So can do our hands on the shoulder, right hand side, left hand is getting hold of the fascia on the elbow and twisting it out. You're moving this up to the head and you're looking into the armpit on the right side and leaning over, breathing deeply 6 times in and out of the mouth. 3 more, leaning over, coming out. Take a breath, see how that feels. Let's do the other side. Your shoulder, hand on shoulder, pass the elbow, twist the fascia outwards, raise the elbow up. You're looking under that left armpit and you're leaning over to the right. Deep breaths through the mouth. Coming out. That should be opening up the shoulders, the line of the shoulders, opening up the ribs, the lung capacity. And now you can really help also, maybe there's some blockages in the face and the sinus. Take the left hand, take the 3 fingers and press it onto the right side of the nose and take the right hand and put it onto the cheek and pull the fascia apart. So the 2 hands moving away from each other and you're breathing deeply in and out of the nose. You can start to move around as you start to breathe now through the mouth. Come out of the pose. Feel how the whole of the head is opening. Going to do the same on the other side now. So the right hand, the 3 pads of the fingers up against the nostril, the nose on that side. Hand on the cheek. You're pulling the fingers away from each other, breathing through the nose. Now through the mouth and starting to move. Coming out, taking a nice deep breath. Feel how much deeper you can breathe, clearer breathing. Enjoy.